How to delete video effect on CapCut mobile. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete the video effect on your CapCut mobile. So if you want to delete the video effect on your CapCut mobile, first of all you have to launch the CapCut app on your device. Once you have launched the CapCut app, go for the new project here. And once you are on your new project, you have to edit one of the video from your gallery here. So just go and edit one of the video. Once you have edited one of the video from your gallery here, just go and apply the sum of the effect on your video. So once you have applied the effect, so if you want to delete that effect here, so let's go for this. And if you have applied that effect here, after that you have to just click on that video, go for the effect option again and go for the video effect here. And you have to just go and unselect that here. Just go and go for the none option and right click here, and you can simply remove the effect, and you can simply remove or delete the video effect on your CapCut mobile. So if you have applied the filter on your CapCut here, just go and apply the filter. So once you have applied the filter on your CapCut mobile here, and after that here you can see your effect, just click on that and go for the delete option. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily delete the video effect on your CapCut mobile. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.